Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So this one that is about a, this one that is about b. To create about a square minus b square, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one that is about a square minus b square. So we need to transform this one into this one. So this one that is about 4 minus s minus 2. Now we need to change the sign of this one. We have negative s plus 2. So 4 plus 2 we have number 6. Next, I will put the negative in here and here. So this one we have negative with negative, you got about positive s. Negative with number 6, we have negative number 6. Next, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put number 6 gone here and here. So we have the final answer. Now, we need to calculate about this one. So we have negative 1/48. This is the end. Thank you for watching.